Welcome back. You join me behind the wheel of an M57 powered BMW, God's motor. We're going to pick up the Lexus from paint. So you'll see in the previous video that I had an aftermarket bumper. I've sort of prepped it, got it ready, and it's been all week at the paint shop. We're going down to Crampton's Customs in Warrington. From the stuff he sent me so far, he's done a great job, so we're just going to go see it in person and help him reassemble the car. That was part of the bargain. It was, you know how all this stuff goes back together, you know, come help me do it. So we're doing that, going down. We'll see you then, we'll show you what his paint looks like.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So, pretty cool place. We're back now, and between leaving the body shop and getting here, there's somehow bird poo on my bonnet. So anyway, I'm going to wash it because it's you know, there's compounding dust everywhere, the rest of the car's dirty. So I'm going to wash it, show you a bit of a quick montage of that, and then I will show you the finish front end and how good this looks.
This night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late.
As you can see, the car is looking spot on. It is lighter, however I knew that was going to be the case. Weirdly, when the sun comes out, the flake is like exactly the same between the panels, so it's the doors onwards. So all the front end's been done, doors onwards or backwards haven't been done. But again, I didn't mind because the wing, the bonnet, the other wing, none of any of this matched. So at least now the front end matches. And I said don't even bother like blending it in because I'm not really bothered. He was gonna, and I was like, nah, don't bother. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is, he, in his own words, did a body shop buff. So I'm just gonna give it a little tickle with some really nice Scholl S20 compound. I said don't bother, I'll have a look and just refine it and just play with it. It's fine to buff now. I'm not going to coat it yet. I'm just going to see on this front bumper. I don't think I'm going to touch the bonnet because I'm scared of a big flat panel like that. But I think the bumper just needs a tiny bit of refinement. We couldn't buff it until it was on the car, which was early today, so we've just had a quick buff on it. And there's just a few like body shop holograms, which again is part and parcel of it. No knock to his work whatsoever. His work's been spot on. He's been really good. I've like disassembled it with him, reassembled it with him, and he's been an all-around great guy. So would recommend, highly recommend, Crampton's Customs in Warrington. And this isn't sponsored. I paid full price. I bought him breakfast earlier. So yeah, I'm just going to give this a little tickle, the front bumper, and just see if we can get it nice. What is nice is this magnet plate. I'm going to wipe it off and dry it off, but I can just take the plate off and then throw it back on. Pictures. Yeah, really cool that. Really happy with that. Oh, I've done most of the front end. I've done that wing, I've done half of the bonnet, I've done the bumper and the lip. This wing was a bit funny. I'm a bit scared to touch this because there's a tiny, it isn't perfect because it reacted like 5 times when he was spraying it, poor guy. It was like absolutely, whatever they'd used before, it just reacted with his paint loads. Obviously we couldn't bare metal it, it's just not feasible on that. So, but it's spot on. I think I won't touch that, I'll just leave that. I'm just going to finish off the bonnet, but look at, I mean, I know reflection isn't everything, but wow, I've done kind of pretty much halfway down and it is a bit darker. So I'm going to do the other side, and yeah, this car's looking so good. I don't know if I'll be able to show you tonight or if it'll be tomorrow because the sun is rapidly going down. My back is hurting. I need a bath. I am old. Get me a beer. What do you have to say? Okay. I'm gonna crack on. God damn. I've fallen in love with this car again. Bit of a quick video, but yeah, I'm just over the moon. The car looks so good. Still like a tiny few bits of holograms here and there. I am not professional and I kind of rushed a lot of the polishing last night, but like it just looks so good. Just unbroken paint, no lack of peel. Bumper isn't hanging off. Panel gaps are actually pretty consistent for an aftermarket bumper. Yeah, over the moon. The plate's pretty cool. Being able to do that for cleaning. Kind of just centers itself as well, which is pretty cool. I normally wouldn't do something like this. I think it's a bit gimmicky, but now I have the gimmick, I kind of like it. But yeah, it's a bit of a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys the progress on the car. It's now looking a lot better, and I've fallen back in love with the car now that I don't look at the front end and think, what is that, what is that, what is that? So next things to come, we're going to be sorting out the work Euro lines that I picked up. They need a really good polish. I need to get some like attachments and whatnot to kind of sand them right down and set them right back and then polish them back up. They're going to go on the rear, the chromes are going to go on the front. I think we'll do upper camber arms on the front to match the rear camber, just a bit of natural camber just to match it and just make sure we don't wreck those wings. And yeah, I think that's going to look a lot better. The fitment's going to be a lot more aggressive, and yeah, we can dial it in from there. But I'm really excited. I've also got a tiny bit of rust repair to do on it. It's nothing structural, there's just some kind of cosmetic rust on the underneath that I want to stop before it gets like a 1 IS. Plenty happening, so stay tuned if you want to see the 2 IS updates. Thank you.